today. That is very, very motivating. I like that. I like that so much. Zero interaction. No likes, no comments, nothing at all. Just plain silence. It's nice. It would be nice. There's no problem with silence. If this silence was there, peaceful silence in your life, if you can enjoy that silence in your life, then it's good. I don't have any problem with that. But that silence is eating you up, it's becoming negativity, it's becoming anxiety. That is sad. That is terrible. That should not happen with anybody. Okay, guys.